Have you ever imagined what it would be like to taste something delicious just by stepping on it? At first, it might sound like something out of a science fiction movie or a bizarre dream, but for some insects, it's a completely natural part of their everyday lives. These remarkable creatures use their feet, equipped with special sensory tools, to detect the flavors of their environment. Welcome to another episode of Bugs, Buzz, and Beyond. In today's journey into the world of insects, we're diving into the fascinating topic of bugs that can actually taste with their feet. Get ready, because this is going to be a fun and flavorful exploration of nature's ingenuity. All right, let's break it down. How is it even possible for bugs to taste with their feet? It all comes down to specialized structures called chemoreceptors. These microscopic sensors located on their feet are designed to detect the chemical composition of whatever they touch. Think of them as nature's version of taste buds, except instead of being inside a mouth like ours, they're conveniently built into the bug's legs. This allows insects to immediately assess their surroundings and decide whether something is edible, toxic, or worth avoiding altogether. Here's an example. When a housefly lands on something sweet, let's say a piece of cake you left uncovered on the counter, its chemoreceptors instantly pick up on the sugar molecules present. If those molecules send the right signals to the fly's brain, it activates its proboscis, which is like a little straw, so it can start slurping up its meal. It's essentially a taste test done in the blink of an eye. Flies might be the most well-known insects with this ability, but they're far from the only ones. Butterflies, for instance, are another great example of bugs that use their feet to taste. When a butterfly lands on a flower, it isn't just resting or showing off its beautiful wings. It's hard at work analyzing whether the flower's nectar is worth sipping. Using its chemoreceptors, the butterfly can determine if the flower has enough nectar to fuel its energy needs. If the flower doesn't pass the test, the butterfly quickly flits off to find a better option. So next time you watch a butterfly gracefully hopping from bloom to bloom, just remember, it's not just pollinating. It's also on the ultimate taste-testing adventure. And let's not forget bees, the ultimate team players of the insect world. Bees also use their feet to evaluate nectar quality, ensuring that the food they bring back to the hive is top-notch. What's fascinating is that once a bee finds a great nectar source, it shares the information with the entire colony using a unique waggle dance. So, in a way, one bee's foot-tasting experience benefits the entire hive. Now, that's teamwork we can all admire. All right. So now we know how they do it, but why do bugs rely on their feet for tasting instead of using their mouths like we do? The answer lies in evolution and efficiency. For insects, time is often a matter of survival. Tasting with their feet allows them to make snap decisions about food, mates, and even potential threats. This is especially useful for insects like butterflies and bees, who need to gather food quickly while avoiding predators or bad weather. It's a brilliant adaptation. By being able to taste as soon as they touch down, insects don't waste precious seconds, and those seconds can sometimes mean the difference between life and death. And it's not just about efficiency. This ability also gives insects the advantage of multitasking. As they taste, they're already preparing their next move, whether that's settling in for a meal or darting away to safety. It's like having a built-in shortcut to survival. Now, let's dive into some truly bizarre and amazing facts about this strange bug behavior. Did you know that caterpillars can use their feet to detect whether a leaf is toxic or not? Before taking even the tiniest nibble, these cautious critters can sense the presence of harmful chemicals just by stepping on the leaf. It's like having a superpower that ensures every bite is safe and nutritious. And here's another fun fact. In some insect species, foot tasting isn't just for finding food. It's also used during mating. Male insects can detect pheromones, chemical signals left behind by females, simply by walking across a surface. This helps them locate potential mates and increase their chances of passing on their genes. Imagine if humans could find a date just by walking into a room barefoot. These extraordinary creatures remind us just how innovative nature can be. By studying how insects taste with their feet, scientists are gaining valuable insights into how sensory systems work, which could even inspire new technologies. Imagine creating sensors that mimic chemoreceptors, allowing us to detect harmful chemicals in food or the environment. Who knew bugs could pave the way for such exciting advancements? It just goes to show that even the tiniest creatures have a big impact on our understanding of the world. So, the next time you see a fly buzzing around or a butterfly fluttering through your garden, take a moment to appreciate just how incredible their world really is. They're not just walking, they're tasting, exploring, and thriving in ways we're only beginning to understand. Thanks for joining us on this flavorful journey through the world of bugs. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our exciting content. Until next time, keep buzzing with curiosity here on Bugs, Buzz, and Beyond. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution.